If you know, you know what day it is. I haven't even turned on my TV yet because I just can't. I've got 6 hours until I'm going to a little watch party with my friends. And I'm so excited. I'm going to make cucumber sandwiches and we're going to drink tea. Such a nerd. Anyways, well, I'm probably not going to film that much today because I really have a lot to get done since I'm cutting my day short today and I have to make those cucumber sandwiches before I go, and they have to get chilled in the fridge before that time. I got 2 wallet orders in the last 2 days. They are Harry Potter wallets. If you've known me for a while, you know that I've made, the lighting in here is so bad this time of day. Let's come over here. That's not much better. Hang on. Okay, that's much better. If you've known me for a while, I'm like obsessed with Harry Potter. My students used to buy me Harry Potter gifts and stuff, and I kept a lot of them, if you're watching. And they're in my room, like on my shelves and stuff. But I'm not making Harry Potter merch anymore. Like once all the fabric's gone, I'm done. Once all the patches are gone, I'm done. I love it, but it doesn't match the vibe of where I'm going. So, yeah, getting rid of those. So 2 Harry Potter orders. I need to take pictures of the book sleeves when the sun comes around. And also film next week's Make With Me video. It's going to be a keychain. I can say that because by the time this video comes out, I'll already be done. And then I got some more stickers made yesterday. Some of my sticker themes are completely unrelated. Like I have a lot of the book ones, but then other ones are completely unrelated. I came across this one yesterday and I laughed to myself so hard. It's a capybara. I can't stop laughing. I'm such a nerd. It says a rootin' tootin'. It's a capybara and it's wearing little cowboy boots. I can't stop laughing. And it's just so cute. I put one on my sewing machine. So if you see, I'm crying. If you see my sewing machine in videos, I got a little rootin' tootin' capybara on the side of my sewing machine. Okay. Moving on. And then these are my book ones. This is for my ACOTAR friends. The Devious Little Nesta. Cauldron Blessed. I made it smaller just because I didn't think this one, there's a glare. I didn't think it would look good too big. This one, however, I put one of these on my closet door. So if you see me ironing stuff for sewing, you'll see it on my closet door. My book boyfriends have wings with a pink background. So pretty. I think these are going to do really, really well. I'm obsessed. Becky, I thought of you when I made this. My friend Becky. We book talked together. So let's get sewing on those orders.
You gave me something to believe in back when I was at my wit's end. Wake up from terrors in the night, you hold me close and say I'm dreaming. Don't let me down, no, don't let this drown, no. Just put your bags down, no need to cry now. I never wanna fall in love with you again. You say that it won't be the same as last time, but I don't believe a single word that you said. I try to tell myself that it was worth it, but I still fall apart when I hear your name, and maybe I feel that I deserve it. You bailed me out of every prison that my soul found its way in. I can't believe I fell apart before it started, now I'm praying that you keep the light on, I must have come home.
like, I've only got one order for this pattern of wallet today, but like, since I'm getting the cutting mat out, since I'm getting the fabric out, I would typically like go ahead and cut some extra, this is going to be like the zipper pouch or card slots, like just go ahead and cut them, even if I'm not ironing the card slots today or sewing the card slots today. I'll just go ahead and cut them, and depending on how much time I have, I would go ahead and batch make some of the pieces to save me time for when I do get orders later. I just so happened to already have like 5 of these card slots done, so I didn't even have to do that. So this wallet was super fast. I'm just turning it right side out, which is a really cumbersome process. The other one, the purple wallet though, I don't have any pieces made, so it's gonna take me a while on that one. But that one's my favorite, so I'm gonna film more of that for you.
Every prison that my soul found its way in. I can't believe I fell apart before it started. Now I'm praying that you keep the light on. I'm about to come home. This thing's too far gone. It's time to move on. I never wanna fall in love with you again. You say that it won't be the same as last time, but I don't believe a single word that you said. I try to tell myself that it was worth it, but I still fall apart when I hear your name, and maybe I feel that I deserve it. I never wanna fall in love with you again. You say that it won't be the same as last time, but I don't believe a single word you said. I try to tell myself that it was worth it, but I still fall apart when I hear your name, and maybe I feel that I deserve it. I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time overanalyzing everything that I never said? Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? fall in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush.
Okay, so this is what they look like after I get the rivets in. Reason number 173 of why I love my standing table. I can pull it up so I'm not hunched over on the table trying to do these presses. So this is what they look like when they're finished. It's like accordion style, and then the rivets are in there, and then you just fold it up. Beep. And then it just snaps shut. Look how beautiful. I know I'm getting rid of them. I think I love the black. It's not real leather, it's faux leather, but it's really good quality faux leather. I need some kind of other wallet design that has the fabric on the top and the black faux leather as the base, because this is just so, it just pops against the black. I love it. And then this is the purple one, Harry Potter. This is the top seller. I only have 2 of these left. Snap it. It's perfect. It's just perfect. Oh, and I do gunmetal gray hardware. So, Harry Potter fans, when they're gone, they're gone. So I was going to come on here today and rave about how much I loved Bridgerton last night, but I didn't love it. I loved parts of it. I watched the first half 3 times. I don't know. I've read the books, though. If you haven't read the books, you probably don't get it. Those that have read the books are hopefully, I would think, are right there with me like, what are y'all doing? Nope. I'm just going to stop. I'm just going to stop. It's not going to ruin my day. It did ruin my night last night, though. I couldn't go to sleep. I couldn't go to sleep. I'm going to wrap up this video for this week. I apologize for my appearance. Summer has arrived here in Tennessee. The heat index is 98 degrees. And I waited too long to get outside and exercise, so it's gross. So next week will be another market display that I'm going to make start to finish. Maybe not finish, TBD. And then I'm going to walk you through how I do some of my branding, and the rest I'm not sure yet. I have to go through my end of the week, what I need to get done stuff. So that's going to be all for this video. Hope to see you next week. Bye.